Here's another little clip showing some of my build details. Building a turret board here. Note here that wrap these components around the turrets. The turrets are hand set by me. I build these turret boards by hand. This is a wicked garden build here. So notice I clip these right down here at the 3/4 wrap. It's an old mil-spec thing. And then I cinch them up good and tight so there's no slack in that connection. So there's no wiggle. Okay, so the lead's wrapped good and tight around the turret. Then we solder it. And the key is to flow enough solder where there's a fillet. Basically, you can see the fillet where the solder has flown over the lead, but you don't want so much that you can't see the outline of the lead or the wire or the component. This helps assure that there are no impurities or contaminants underneath that could cause a problem later on. That's one of the techniques that they taught us in the Navy back in the day. Anyway, thanks for listening.